Join me as I dive into the latest updates in Plug stock and challenge myself to uncover all the new features and changes. Plug stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a rapidly evolving sector, it's attracting a lot of attention from investors and industry experts alike. With its potential to disrupt traditional industries, Plug stock is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Investors are often on edge when it comes to Plug stock fluctuations and market volatility. One day it's up, the next day it's down, and it's tough to know what to make of it all. This uncertainty can be overwhelming, especially for those who are new to investing. The fear of losing money is real, and it's natural to wonder if Plug stock is worth the risk. The market volatility is just one challenge investors face. Plug stock can be particularly unpredictable, with sudden changes in value that can leave investors scrambling to keep up. And then there's the issue of staying informed. It's hard to know what news is relevant and what's just noise. With so much information out there, it's easy to feel like you're drinking from a fire hose. Many investors struggle to make sense of the data and analysis out there. It's one thing to understand the basics of Plug stock, but it's another thing entirely to stay on top of the latest trends and developments. That's why it's so important to have a solid understanding of the underlying fundamentals and to stay informed about market shifts. Some investors find themselves reacting emotionally to Plug stock fluctuations, rather than making rational decisions. This can lead to costly mistakes, like buying in at the wrong time or selling out too early. By taking a step back and assessing the situation objectively, investors can make more informed decisions and avoid some of the common pitfalls. Recently, there have been some exciting developments in the Plug stock space. One major player has announced a new line of products that promise to revolutionize the industry. These innovative solutions aim to address some of the biggest challenges facing investors and consumers alike. With their cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, it's no wonder these products are generating a lot of buzz. The market is also seeing some significant shifts, with new players entering the scene and established companies adapting to changing circumstances. This kind of flux can create opportunities for investors who are willing to take a closer look. By understanding the underlying trends and drivers, investors can position themselves for success. Another key player has made a strategic acquisition that is expected to have a major impact on the market. This move is seen as a bold attempt to expand their offerings and stay ahead of the competition. As the industry continues to evolve, it's clear that partnerships and collaborations will play a major role in shaping the future of Plug stock. One of the most interesting recent developments is the growing demand for Plug stock solutions. As more consumers become interested in sustainable and eco-friendly options, companies are responding with innovative products and services. This trend is expected to continue, driving growth and investment in the sector. One prediction that's getting a lot of attention is the potential for Plug stock to disrupt traditional industries. With its focus on sustainability and innovation, Plug stock could be poised to shake things up in a big way. Some experts are even predicting a major surge in value, making it an exciting time for investors who are willing to take the leap. The updates don't stop there. There's also talk of new regulations on the horizon that could impact the Plug stock market. As governments and regulatory bodies take a closer look at the industry, investors will need to stay informed about any changes that could affect their investments. The investment community is abuzz with excitement about the potential for Plug stock to drive growth and returns. With its unique combination of innovation and sustainability, Plug stock is attracting a lot of attention from investors who are looking for long-term opportunities. To wrap things up, we've covered some of the most important insights about Plug stock and what they might mean for investors. From market volatility to new products and trends, there's a lot to consider when thinking about investing in this space. If you've got thoughts on Plug stock or questions about investing in general, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to check out my latest video on investment strategies for more tips and insights on navigating the market.